I got a brand new Dell laptop here, guys. I'm going to open the lid on it, and I'm going to show you how to make it not come on when you open the lid. So let's get into it. Hey guys, how's it going? Dale here. Today I got a brand new Dell G5 gaming laptop. Like a lot of the new Dell computers, and a lot of the Lenovo's, HPs, they have an option that's called flip to boot, or lid open, turn on, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty easy to disable. As you saw my little intro there, when I opened the lid, the computer just came on all by itself and booted into Windows. So let me go and I'm going to shut it off. I'm going to do a full shutdown here. And I'll show you how to disable that. It's pretty simple. It's in the BIOS. So once it's off, we're going to hit the power button and immediately start tapping the F2 key to enter the BIOS, or the CMOS, whatever you want to call it. So I'll power it on. Start tapping F2. And it'll show us that we're entering the BIOS. So this is the BIOS. The new BIOSes are a lot different these days than what they used to be. So it does have mouse support. It's a little sluggish, so you got to be patient with the mouse here. Just click on power over on the side here. And then over here, we're going to go down on the scroll bar. Trying to drag that scroll bar is kind of a losing battle. So we're going to tap here. We're going to scroll down to the bottom of this page. And it's right here where it says power on, lid open. We're going to toggle this off. Just like that. And then go down and click on apply changes. And confirm, yes, just hit OK. And then we're going to exit right over here. Just be careful what you change in your BIOS. It can dramatically change the way your laptop operates. So be careful, make sure you know what you're doing. So I'm going to let it boot up, and then I'll shut it down and just confirm that we turn it off. All the new Lenovo's that I do all have that option enabled from the factory. Some people like it, some people don't. So, but now you know how to turn it on and off. So I'm going to do a quick shutdown on it here, guys. And we'll just confirm that it actually worked. So let it all shut down. There, now it's off. Close the lid, and we open the lid. It does not come on. So that's how you turn off flip to boot on a new Dell laptop. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.